Welcome back YouTube to another video. Today we're going to be videoing this air handler at my parents' house. This air handler is the model 58 CVA Carrier furnace air handler. As you can see, I'm working on it here. Now I'm going to go ahead and say I'm not an HVAC tech, but I just acquired my knowledge from other HVAC technicians, and of course this manual here for this unit, for this here, this is the of course air handler. I will show the outside unit in another video. The outside unit is not a Carrier, it's a different brand, which you'll find out in the other video. But basically I'm here just to show off this Carrier furnace that's mounted sideways, because the way the ductwork is, you can see over there, and I guess the ceiling room too, but the previous air handler was a Whirlpool, original to the house, old school Whirlpool. I don't know exactly what model number. It's been so long. It's been 10 years since that unit's been last sitting here. Yes, that's right. You heard right. This is about 10 years old. Once we reach the winter, this thing is officially 10 years old. The outdoor unit is actually pretty much 10-year-old, but we'll show that in another video, like I said. Here's a circuit board. Unfortunately, the previous circuit board installed originally with this unit was defective and had to be replaced. Luckily, it was under warranty at the time, which I guess was like 2-3 years later. Basically, the heat mode will not run for whatever reason, so that's what happened. And here's more a look at the furnace part of the AC, or Carrier air handler. Gas furnace, no heat pump, straight cool outside unit. And I've been here basically to rewire this air handler to go on stage 2 or high speed, because being this an old school house, if I think the HVAC techs know that the old school system was to have one AC unit for both floors, and this house is one of those. So I feel like it's not energy efficient to have this thing start off on low speed and then switch to high speed after 20 minutes of staying on. This is one of those adaptive mode type AC units, pretty much. So apparently, after reading the manual, since this is capable for a 2-stage thermostat, which we don't have, it's just a single stage. I figure I just wire it to the second stage for cooling only. We're still using the 2-speed on the heating, because obviously, as people say, heating your house is easier than cooling it. So I kept the 2-speed on the heating part. So I had to remove a jumper here somewhere. Where is it? Arc DJ, wherever you see that Arc DJ right there, I had to remove that jumper so I don't do the adaptive mode, since I just wired it to only high speed. You see Y1, that's where that yellow wire was. You see Y1, I moved it to Y2, which means high speed or second stage. Now, the outside unit is only one stage, so I, of course, had to move the red wire with it. As you can see, where the red and yellow wire is, that's Y2. It's hard to tell. Can't focus. So, if this works, now I know what I'm doing, guys. I'm not some person ignorant about HVAC. I read the manual. I studied it quite a few times, so I know what I'm doing. But if this works, you will see the YouTube video uploaded. Otherwise, if it didn't work, obviously you would not see this video. So in another video, I will show you the cover with the cover back on and running. So, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.